Imagine a world where women don't have to get pregnant, allowing anyone to have children without the physical fatigue. Elon Musk, known for testing the boundaries of technology, may be looking to change pregnancy as we know it. This is not movie stuff anymore. Musk's potential new plan to develop pregnancy robots is piquing curiosity and controversy. So, news has it that Elon Musk is creating a robot that can birth babies. Recently, at the We Robot event, he hinted at some futuristic technology. Little did we know, it was hinting at mother robots. Yes, fully equipped robots capable of carrying your baby for 9 months. Sources revealed that this latest idea involves creating robotic carriers capable of gestating a baby from fertilization to birth. Couples will simply need to give their sperm and ovum, which will be fertilized and then put in the robot to grow for 9 months. This technology could break down barriers and make parenthood available to a broader range of people. Elon Musk has always turned heads, what with Tesla robots and babysitting bots. But it's not just about grocery shopping anymore. Oh no, it's about carrying our future generations. Will this robot be the end of dangerous pregnancies? It's a new initiative, one that might prove beneficial for mothers. This is due to the fact that not everyone can give birth in a healthy manner. Likewise, there are also major complications, health issues, and even miscarriages surrounding pregnancy. What if this robot could change all of that? Will it lead to a future where women can choose to be pregnant or not? These are just some of the questions we have, questions that Elon Musk has yet to answer. However, looking at the possibilities, this robot could increase healthy babies and maybe even reduce birth defects. Of course, this is all mere contemplation, and no amount of circuits could mimic the woman's body accurately. It's going to take months, if not years, to get the robot available worldwide. Musk has been talking about his Optimus project for years, but it seems it is mostly futuristic talk. As he said about the new Optimus project, it can do anything you want. It can be a teacher, babysit your kids, serve drinks. The end of parenting? This idea can also be thought of as a thing to replace mothers. I mean, it is such an intimate connection for a mother to carry her baby. If suddenly a robot does it for her, would there even be an attachment to the baby itself? Thinking of it from a different angle, would the baby be attached to its mother anymore? Such conversations seem to be happening after the news went viral about this robot. People seem to be upset that Elon Musk has tried to walk into uncharted territories. Some are just curious as to how this robot will be developed. There's also a valid reason to be afraid of this new technology. Of course, it wouldn't be free to buy this robot, right? Now think of all the rich and elite class dying to get their hands on this robot. Experts think that this could signal an increase in the divide between the poor and the rich. Whatever the outcome is, one thing is for sure. Elon Musk is determined to change things, and we are not ready for this at all. What would it mean for society? Pregnancy robots would have a major impact on our world. They could allow parents greater control, creating customized conditions for good fetal health. This technology could also change societal norms, making parenting more accessible for everyone. Ethically, the introduction of pregnancy robots raises many concerns. Critics argue that this could lead to questions of identity and authenticity for children born this way. Advocates, on the other hand, think that it could be a life-changing technology for people facing fertility issues, especially in an era where birth rates are declining. Elon's never been one to play it safe. As the debate heats up, the world waits to see if this baby bot is going to be a reality. Would you trust a robot with your baby's life? So, what do you think? Would you hand over your baby-carrying abilities to a bot? Or is this just a step too far? Could robots replacing parents be a major trend? Or is it more like a sci-fi nightmare on the rise? Let me know your thoughts. Like and subscribe for more updates on AI robots and technology. Share with your friends to start interesting conversations.